Sairam Class 4, welcome to your EVS class. How are all of you? You are learning EVS? You were waiting for my video? So here is the video, and while learning this chapter, you will enjoy as if you are playing outside. So yesterday we have discussed about some famous women player of India. Today we will learn about three sisters, Jwala, Hira and Leela, who played kabaddi and how they have come up. See, a story of three sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. See this picture in your book. Also, this picture must have been given. They look like simple grandmothers. जैसे कि सबकी दादी माँ या सबकी नानी माँ होती ना, वैसे दिखाई देती हैं, पर वो डिफरेंट है. क्या डिफरेंट है? वी विल लर्न नाउ. द पिक्चर इज ऑफ द थ्री सिस्टर्स ज्वाला, लीला एंड हीरा. They live in Mumbai. All these three sisters, they live in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. तीनों बहनें कबड्डी खेलती हैं और दूसरों को भी सिखाती हैं. ज्वाला टेल्स, उनमें से ज्वाला नाम की जो दादी माँ है वो क्या बता रही है? When we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. जब हम छोटे थे तब गर्ल्स को एक गेम प्ले करने का परमिशन नहीं थी. People thought that if girls played such rough game, nobody would marry them because kabaddi is a rough game. Anybody can got injured, anybody can broke his leg or hand, anybody can got hurt. So if girls will play kabaddi in their young age, no one will marry them. No one will be ready to marry with them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' uniform like t-shirts and shorts, which were not allowed 50 years before. See,
क्या फोटो देख के ऐसा नहीं लगता कि ये बड़ी ही आम दादी माएं हैं, लेकिन वो हमसे बहुत अलग है. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ थ्री सिस्टर्स. ये तीन बहनों की पिक्चर है, लीला, ज्वाला और हीरा. दे लिव इन मुंबई. ये सभी बचपन में कबड्डी खेला करती थी और सबको सिखाया भी करती थी. ज्वाला कहती है, व्हेन वी वर यंग, गर्ल्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू प्ले दिस गेम. जब हम छोटे थे तो लड़कियों को कबड्डी का खेल खेलने की इजाजत नहीं थी. People thought if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. लोग सोचते थे कि अगर कबड्डी जैसा इतना रफ खेल लड़कियां खेलेंगी तो गिरेंगी, पड़ेंगी, हाथ टूटेगा, पैर छिलेगा, बड़े होकर उनकी शादी नहीं हो. They also said that girls had to wear boys' clothes. लोग ये भी कहते थे कि खेलने
and that is why they stopped girls from playing. इसलिए लोग उन्हें खेलने से रोकते थे कि कहीं उनकी शादी में रुकावट ना आए, कहीं उनको बॉयज जैसे कपड़े ना पहनना पड़े. The sisters were young when their father died. See what the tragedy has happened with them. वो बहुत छोटी थी तभी उनके फादर की डेथ हो गई. Their mother and mama, that is maternal uncles. Maternal uncle means mama. तो उनकी मामा और मम्मी ने उन ब्रॉड देम अप, उनको बड़ा किया. बोथ अंकल यूज्ड टू प्ले कबड्डी एंड खो खो, and their both uncles they used to play kabaddi and kho. They encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi, and due to their maternal uncles' encouragement, they have started playing kabaddi. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. Jwala and Leela are telling about their experiences. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. 50 years before means 4-5 decades before, when they have started playing kabaddi, girls were not allowed to play this game. They never got opportunity to play outside games. Parents did not let them play the game. Parents used to not to allow girls to play this game. But we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. So they felt that they should play the kabaddi whether the society is supporting them or not. But their uncle and their mother supported them. And this is how we can learn that if our society supports, if our uncles, our mother, or our aunt support us, we can also play outside games. Girls can also play outside games. We three learned the game, and some other girls also joined us. And see, they have started learning the game, and other girls have joined them. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today, and they have formed the kabaddi club in which new girls are joining today also. See,
खेलने के लिए लड़कियों को तो लड़कों के कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे, टी शर्ट और शॉर्ट्स पहनने पड़ेंगे, तो वो भी अलाउड नहीं था। इसीलिए वो लड़कियों को कबड्डी का खेल खेलने के लिए रोक दिया करते थे। जब ये तीनों बहनें बहुत छोटी थी तब इनके पापा चल बसे थे, लेकिन उनकी मम्मी और मामा जी ने इन लड़कियों को बड़ा किया। बोथ द अंकल्स यूज्ड टू प्ले कबड्डी एंड खो खो। इन लड़कियों के दोनों मामा जी कबड्डी और खो खो का खेल खेला करते थे और उन्होंने ही इन तीनों लड़कियों को एनकरेज किया कबड्डी खेलने के लिए। ज्वाला और लीला अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताती है। आज से लगभग 50 साल पहले, ऑलमोस्ट 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. जब हमने कबड्डी खेलना शुरू किया था तब लड़कियों को ये खेल खेलने की इजाजत नहीं थी। Parents did not let them play the game. But we always felt that we should play and my uncles and mothers supported us. लेकिन हमें हमेशा लगता था कि हम ये खेल खेल सकते हैं और मेरी माँ और मेरे मामा जी ने हमें सपोर्ट किया। We three learned the game and some other girls also joined us. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. फिर मामा जी के सपोर्ट से हमने खेलना शुरू किया। हमारे साथ कुछ और लड़कियां भी आई हमें देख देख के और हमने एक क्लब भी बना लिया और उस क्लब में आज भी नई नई गर्ल्स आती हैं और ये खेल सीखती हैं। Remembering those days, वो बोलती
remembering those days. Leela and Hira still get very excited when they talk about their matches. है ना? So Leela and Hira, they are the younger one, and they get very excited when they talk about their matches. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. और वो बताती हैं कि जो मैचेस वो हारने वाली थी वो कैसे जीत गई. This was possible because of their strong willpower. Why this was possible? Because of this strong willpower. So we should learn that if we want to play some game, if we want to achieve something in life, if we want to become doctor, engineer, or chartered account, or astronaut, or any other post we want, we can always get by our strong willpower. During those matches, some very interesting things happened. Once they had to go to a different town for a big match, and Leela tells, so one time they have to go to different town for the match, and Leela is telling about that big match. The match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. मैच को शाम को 6:30 स्टार्ट होना था और उन लोगों ने क्या किया? We went to see a movie from 3 to 6 o'clock. और वो तीनों कहाँ चली गई? मूवी देखने 3 to 6 o'clock वाली. We thought we would be back in time for the match. और उन्होंने सोचा कि जब तक मैच स्टार्ट होगा तब तक हम वापस आ जाएंगे. As soon as the movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. जैसे ही मूवी स्टार्ट हुई उन्होंने कुछ नॉइज और डिस्टरबेंस को नोटिस किया. ये कहाँ से हो रहा था? It was created by our mama. That noise and disturbance was created by their maternal uncle mama, who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. जो कि he was searching them and with the torch. When he found us, he gave a big scolding right there in the cinema hall. and when he caught them, he gave a big scolding to them in the cinema hall only. So you should also not feel bad if teacher is scolding you. स्कोल्डिंग करना है ना, डांटना, अगर टीचर डांट रही है या मम्मी डांट रही है या पापा डांट रहे हैं, तो वो हमारे भले के लिए, दैट इज गुड फॉर अस, that is for making us more stronger, that is for bringing us to the right path. So if teacher scolds us, if mummy scolds us, if papa scolds us, or any elderly person scolds us, we should not feel bad. That is for our betterment, that is for our welfare.
है कि कैसे उन्होंने कुछ खेलों को हारते हारते भी जीत लिया था। This was possible because of their strong will. ये संभव हो पाया था उनकी दृढ़ निश्चयता की वजह से। During those matches, some very interesting things happened. एक बार बहुत ही मजेदार घटना भी घटी थी। Once they had to go to a different town for a big match. एक बार उन्हें कबड्डी का खेल खेलने के लिए दूसरे शहर में जाना पड़ा था, जो खेल 6:30 बजे शुरू होने वाला था। उन्होंने सोचा क्यों ना हम 3 से 6 की एक पिक्चर देख लें। वो सभी मिलकर पिक्चर देखने चले गए, लेकिन तभी अचानक बाहर से बहुत जोर जोर की आवाजें और डिस्टरबेंस होने लगा। इट वॉज क्रिएटेड बाई आवर मामा हु वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अस इन द हॉल विद अ टॉर्च। हमारे मामा जी हमें टॉर्च जलाकर ढूंढ रहे थे। एंड देन व्हेन ही फाउंड अस, ही गेव अस अ बिग स्कोल्डिंग राइट इन द सिनेमा हॉल। उसके बाद जब मामा जी ने हमें ढूंढ लिया, हमें बहुत जोर की डांट भी पड़ी, जैसे हम सभी को डांट पड़ती है एग्जाम के पहले अगर हम टीवी देखने लगे तो, क्योंकि पढ़ाई हो या खेल का फाइनल इवेंट, हमें अपने
The sister has to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. So, whether it is the case of studies or playing game or want to become something else in the life, if we are having difficulties, if we are having hurdles, if we are having problems, we should not give up. We should not lose our interest from that. Okay, हीरा, the youngest sister, became a kabaddi coach. और उनमें जो सबसे छोटी बहन हीरा है, she became the kabaddi coach. Who is coach? Coach is something who tells about the rules and regulations of the game. He teaches how to play the game, how to win the game. She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. So Hira, what she wishes, that not only boys, girls should also play kabaddi and other outdoor games. Have you learned any game from a coach? Which one? You can write the name of the game you have learned from your coach, like cricket, kabaddi, badminton, or any other game that you have learned from the coach. Do you know of anyone who has learned any game from a coach? क्या आपको किसी, आपने आसपास किसी का नाम पता है जिसने कोई गेम सीखा हो कोच से? You can ask your uncle or aunt or didi bhaiya if they have learned any game from the coach. Okay, see.
लक्ष्य से भटकना नहीं चाहिए, हमें हमेशा प्रैक्टिस करते रहने चाहिए। The sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. Hira, the youngest sister, became a kabaddi coach. बड़ी होके सबसे छोटी बहन हीरा कबड्डी की कोच बन गई। कोच क्या होता है? कोच इज अ person who teaches us how to play a game. He teaches us all the tricks and tips of the game. कोच वो होता है जो हमें खेल के हर एक छोटी से बड़ी बात सिखाता है, हमें खेलना सिखाता है। She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, स्पेशली कबड्डी। हैव यू लर्न एनी गेम फ्रॉम अ कोच? तो शायद आपने भी क्रिकेट, कबड्डी, बैडमिंटन, इस तरीके की कुछ खेलों को कोच से सीखा होगा। डू यू नो एनीवन हु हैज लर्नड एनी गेम फ्रॉम अ कोच? इफ यस, देन यू कैन राइट इट हियर। एंड दैट्स हाउ वी एंड।
So with that, we have end this chapter. You watch the videos again and again on this chapter and try to learn about the games, rules of the game of kabaddi, and about the games, about the famous women player, and about the three sisters Leela, Hira, and Jwala. Okay, children. So this much is sufficient for today, I think so. Thank you and Sairam. We will finish this class by having Shanti Part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. सायराम।